If you have never seen my show, we cook a lot of stuff. I mean a lot of stuff. We cook all different kinds of things. Frogs, fish, stir fry, eggs, breakfast.
Alligator pizza, remember the alligator pizza?
Yeah, we cooked alligator pizza, dang sure did. We cook all kind of stuff. One of the worst things to cook, I'm not gonna say the worst, it's the best thing to cook. Afterwards it's worst. We cook what we call stir fry on here, and you can use any kind of meat you want with a stir fry. Once you get it made, and then you use some soy sauce and this and that. Well, it's sticky when you get through. We cook eggs on here, and it gets it pretty dirty. So what I'm gonna do is show y'all how we clean the Blackstone. You want to make sure your griddle is good and hot before you get started. Get your roll of paper towels. Paper towels are your friend. Trust me, if you got a Blackstone, paper towels your friend. Next thing we're going to get up here and come see this. Look at this. Golly, that nasty looking? Look at that. We're going to get our scraper. We're going to go to work on it. Going to pour everything down to one side. All that cheese, all that happiness. Y'all don't take this long to do this. Pick it up, throw it away. Once you get that done, this is what I like to do. Squirt water up here. Okay, we're gonna let that water sit just a minute. See, it's drying up. What I did when you throw that water on here, brings all that stuff to the top. Okay, watch this. Now we're gonna squirt water all over it again. Don't worry about no germs. That steam will kill it all. You got steam will kill germs like crazy. You don't have to worry about that. Look at that. Look at that. This is one of the best parts of the Blackstone, how easy it is to clean. Now you get your oil ball. One strip down the middle, one right there. That's enough. Take your one paper towel, fold it in half, okay? Now this is where a lot of people make a mistake. They put too much oil on there. You don't need a lot. All we're gonna do is put a thin coat. See how I'm doing here? Thin coat, and it's still hot. You want that to stay hot the whole time you clean it, keep it hot. What it does is opens these pores up in here, and it lets all the water come out. Okay, once you get all the water out, it replaces it with the oil. That's the answer to that question. It's ready to cook on next time. Beats washing a bunch of pots and pans too. Be sure you subscribe to Blackstone and watch all our videos. We got some great recipes coming up.
Tonight you're